Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To maintain your Dyson DC37C vacuum cleaner effectively, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a vacuum cleaner attachment for cleaning filters. Let's get started with the maintenance process. First, unplug your Dyson vacuum to ensure safety during maintenance. Locate the main body screws using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 4 screws that hold the outer casing in place. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the casing. This gives you access to the internal components of the vacuum. Here, you will want to check for any blockages in the airway. Use your soft brush to remove any dust or debris. Regular cleaning of these areas can significantly enhance your vacuum's efficiency. Next, check the filter. The Dyson DC37C features a washable filter, which should be cleaned every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Remove the filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If you find that your filter needs replacement, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you determine the best course of action. While the filter is drying, let's move on to the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over to access the brush bar. There are usually small screws on either end of the brush bar that need to be removed with your flathead screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the brush bar out. Check for hair or debris that may be tangled around it. Use your soft brush to clean the bristles, ensuring optimal performance. After cleaning, reinsert the brush bar, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Now, let's focus on the dust canister. Remove it from the vacuum by pressing the release button. Empty the canister into a trash bag, and use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside. This will prevent any buildup that could affect suction power. Remember to ensure that the canister is completely dry before reattaching it. If you encounter any issues during this process or feel uncomfortable performing maintenance, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel required. Just schedule a time that works for you. Finally, after reassembling your vacuum, take a moment to check for any loose screws or components. Tighten them as necessary to ensure everything is secure. With regular maintenance, your Dyson DC37C will continue to perform at its best. If you need assistance or wish to get a quote before repair, our team is here to help. Just reach out to us, and we'll take care of the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.